Ivan with DIY Detail. Today we're going to show you the many uses of C6 Mist, our drying and rinse aid. Now, you've washed the car, it's wet, you want to dry it. The easiest use for mist is simply a few sprays on the surface, take your favorite drying towel, now you have dry protected paint. Now let's say you want to use mist as a rinsing aid. Simply spray a little on the surface, give it a couple seconds to sit, and once you've done that, take your hose, you can also use a pressure washer, and rinse up the surface. And immediately you get beading and you're ready to dry. Another great use for mist is your wheels. Couple sprays, let it sit for a few seconds, rinse away. Make your wheels much easier to dry, give them a bit of beading, and some ceramic protection. Next use for mist is as a quick detailer. So, spray a little on your towel, spray or two on the surface, rub it in, flip your towel, and bring it to a nice shine. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or ideas, please leave them below, and we'll see you in the next one.